So my name is Antonio Reynoso. I'm currently a council member and I represent North Brooklyn. And I'm out here now in the South, making sure I tour all of Brooklyn. Look, Brooklyn gave me everything. I was born in Cumberland Hospital, went to public schools here, and I just want to give it back. I also want to build equity into the work that I do. I don't care much for equality. I care for equity. I want to give people that need more, actually give them more, right? My thing is, if you need the resources, I want to give them to you. And we got to start talking about taking care of the most marginalized and the voiceless and giving them a space, because when they rise, we all rise as one Brooklyn. So that's why I'm running. I believe I'm the candidate that's gonna make it happen because I can build coalitions. My job is to make sure that I talk to people from North Brooklyn to South Brooklyn, East, West, and Central. And I'm gonna make sure I build a coalition that is diverse, is strong, and cares deeply about Brooklyn the same way I do. So I am in favor of ranked choice voting. I think it really gives us the opportunity to find out who the community really likes. It's not just a small fraction of a community choosing who wins. It's one that has the most consensus or the most support from the community. And what ranked choice voting is that when you get into the ballot box, you're going to be able to rank in order from 1 to 5 the candidates you like. So you might like someone a lot, someone a little less, and then someone not so much, so you don't need to add them. And you start ranking them in order of how you like them and your preference. I think it's actually going to be very good because the winner is going to get at least 50% of community support. In the past, people have gotten elected with only 27, 30% of the vote. That's not going to happen anymore. There's going to be a real consensus on who the leader of the community is.